Okay guys, so this is the official booking from booking.com. I did find that booking.com is extremely helpful when finding a place here in Branson because you do get a pretty good deal. It does slightly trump Expedia in my opinion, and we were able to find this particular location, which is the Rosebud Inn, and we are going to be staying here for 2 nights, and the total price after tax is $126.95, which is a very fair rate, especially considering I booked it earlier this week, so we didn't get any of those early bird bookings. We can check in at 3 o'clock, and so we're about to go and check in. It's 3:07, so they should have our room ready. Okay, after arriving to the Rosebud, we did go ahead and get our keys. We're in room 130 tonight. That's on the lower floor. All rooms are non-smoking, so I really liked that because instantly you don't have to worry about the smell of smoke whenever you come into your hotel. Now that's not gonna bother everybody, but for me particularly, I don't love that. So I have right here my 130. Let's go in and check it out. I think you're gonna like this, guys. It's a nice hotel, it's pretty quiet, and from what we were told, we almost have the entire place to ourselves because of the time that we decided to come. Is kind of a weird day, so yay! Of course, as you come in, on the back of the door, they do have your fire exit strategies, so you want to check that over when you're staying in any hotel, and then take note of any special restrictions that might be on there. For example, no smoking, no pets. Very important, guys. As we move into the bathroom, this is potentially one of my favorite things about staying here. It is huge. There's so much space in here. And you can tell this isn't a brand new hotel, but at the same time, they put a lot of attention to detail into making it super comfortable and very nice for us who are staying. For example, do you see that on the mirror right there? That right there, that is a soap dispenser, which means that you don't have to bring your own hand soap and don't have to worry about that. They do provide a bar of soap, however, also along with a cosmetics towel so that you don't take your makeup off with one of the white ones, but you have the option of either a bar of soap or the liquid soap, which is really nice. And the last time I stayed here, I really liked this soap. It was amazing. That's right, guys, you heard me say it. I have stayed here before. Why did I come back to share this with you all? Because I liked it that much. It was really nice. It's a fair priced hotel. It's a great stay overnight. The beds are super comfortable. And whenever I stayed here before, for some reason, I didn't blog it. And I'm not sure why, because I definitely want to share this with you all because it's a place that we really liked and I think you all would like too. What's that? Is that another soap dispenser? Yes, it is. Inside the shower, you'll notice you have a soap dispenser, a shampoo, and a conditioner. This way you don't have to worry about, if you have extra thick hair, not having enough shampoo in one of those tiny little bottles. It's really nice. Now this is a standard tub, so it does require a little bit of work to get into it because it's about 1.5 feet tall. So that's something to consider if you have some mobility issues. But other than that, it's a pretty large area in there, so you can get in there and be comfortable for the kiddos taking a bath or you taking a shower. Notice they have the curved bar, which really opens it up a little bit more. And like with most hotels, they do provide you with a hairdryer. This one's already ready to go, so you don't have to go flag it down and find it in some toiletries bin anywhere. Lots of full-size towels. In fact, there are 4 of them in here, in addition to 2 hand towels and 2 washcloths right here. Have a floor mat and an additional washcloth right here. Moving out of the bathroom, you have an open closet area with several hangers right here. These are the nice sturdy wooden ones, so you can put anything on them and it's not gonna get droopy. You also have a couple of extra plastic bags that you can use for either excessive trash or also for your laundry. And then as you can see right here, we have a nice luggage rack, which we have already brought our luggage in and placed on there. That's 2 big bags and they both fit. Walking forward into the room, we have a big mirror right here, as you can see, and that's a nice one to get ready with. and then another area that you can put your luggage. Now, this is a little worn from people coming and bumping into it and things, but that isn't going to change the fact that it is super sturdy and perfect for your big bulky luggage. And we have a 30 to 32 inch TV right here with lots of stations to watch, including the local Branson station where you can learn about not only the weather, but also upcoming events and things like that. A full chest of drawers, which I don't personally use, but I know that some people like to see how big the drawers are. There's 3 different drawers here. All of the pools are the same. We have a nice big fridge for in here. And I will say this, last time I was here, I totally used my fridge. It came in handy because the food portions in Branson were larger than life and I had to get a doggy bag. We also have a microwave to heat them up. An ice bucket with a couple of cups, just, you know, standard stuff. But over here is the not so standard stuff. You have 2 chairs and another lamp to go with your nice size dining table over here. Now you can actually move this around however you would like. They do have it where it is already set up with the Bible open to a specific psalm. You have the Branson Eats and also the flavor of Branson, so if you need some suggestions on what to eat while here. And then they leave you this nice little single serving coffee machine with a few different things. We have some different coffees and then some mixers and of course some cups. You guys are really wondering about though is what about the bed? The last time I stayed here, it was me and my mom and we had 2 queen size beds. It was probably one of the best nights sleep I had on our entire trip. We stayed in several hotels along the way and this was one of the most comfortable places to stay, bar none. That's why I wanted to come back. And I see that I have a very similar bed. It's staring me in the face right now, just waiting to be introduced to you guys. And here it is. This is the queen size bed. Again, we have 2 of them, so 2 comfortable, cozy, wonderful queen size beds for the best night's sleep in Branson. Here you go. Here it is. We have some nice white linens, a nice brown accent to go with the nice brown underskirt here. It's just a nice little touch. The bed itself is firm but soft at the same time. I know that sounds weird, but it's actually quite wonderful. If you're wanting to stay in something that has a memory foam, this is not going to be the bed for you. However, this is going to be the perfect mattress ratio, in my opinion. Of course, our opinions might differ based on what your specific needs are, but I found this to be so comfortable that I knocked out after only a few minutes of sitting there. That says a lot because usually it takes me way longer to go to bed. And, you know, I was really thrilled to death to know that we turned on Murder, She Wrote and I never found out who done it. I was asleep, snoozing hard. Here is the channel listing, and as you can see, tons of different channels. Looks like there are overall dozens of different options. Everything from the Branson Visitor TV, which is starred on Channel 5, to Disney, Cartoon Network for the kiddos, QVC for the person who just can't leave home without spending more money. But for now, guys, I am going to just rest for a little while and try not to think about extra projects. It's been a long, long day, and we still have so many more adventures to go on. Just wanted to kick my shoes off and get comfy for a minute, share this hotel with you, and give you a little food for thought when you come to Branson. So for now, I'm going to kick my feet up, rest for a few minutes, and then get back out there into Branson and do some more stuff. If you've enjoyed today's video, I suggest that you keep watching because I'm going to give you a few little snippets of what the halls and the other things look like in just a few moments, which to you will be right now. Here on the ground level, we have both a soda vending machine and a snack machine right by the back rear entrance. And then of course the ice is centrally located, so it's easy for all customers to access. The last time we were here, we did stay on the 2nd floor and these stairs became my best friend. However, there is an elevator that is by the office that you can also use if you can't do stairs.